Market. We're about to sort of see what is happening here. They sell almost everything here, so come on the journey with us and come and experience the market with us.
It is the first currency of Togo. Yeah, before Fevrier and
And then you make these for children. And you make this for children?
Yeah, they make it for the belt. If the children have some, they born and doing some this problem, so they make a belt.
Yeah.
And
and it helps.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, that's nice.
When you have voodoo and you want to play songs.
Oh, for the spirit.
Yeah,
maybe not for some. If you want to call it.
They want to call
the spirit.
You want to call spirit.
Can I try it? Well, I do know that. Well, something happened. Well, how do I call it? How do I call it? Do I have to say something?
You want to say
if I want
like
to call it.
You want to call spirit.
How do I call it? What do I say?
You can say spirit of love.
Spirit of love. Hey, I want the spirit of love.
Yeah, you call you in
spirit of love.
Yeah. Is it?
Where do they do it? So
where they do it? Do it. It is not here. It is in another region.
How far is it?
You will go to Lomé, you will go to hotel side.
Okay, hotel
and
side.
You will go 45
kilometers from the hotel.
So from hotel going to Benin. You know Benin?
Benin, yes.
Togo,
it's close to Benin.
There is Benin.
Yeah.
There is Ghana. There is Burkina Faso. At Benin side.
So we had a lovely experience at this market. They literally sell everything, but one of the most amazing parts is that you can sort of see a little bit about the voodoo and what they do here with that. I got to ring the bell, ask for love, see how they used to do the currency here years ago, and see sort of just some of the delicacies that they sell here. There's bread, there's fish, there's clothing. It's literally, if you're from Joburg, small street, on fleek at the levels.